Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to create a Binance account. Hit sign up or log in. Right below, you're going to hit create Binance account. Inside, you can enter your email or phone number manually, and they're going to ask you for verification, or continue with Google, Apple, or Telegram. So in my case, let's say I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google and confirm here. Let's say I'm going to use this email. You're going to face the same process basically, right? So I deleted my account. So let me try Apple this time, right? And verify via facial recognition. And basically they're going to send you an email, or excuse me, yeah, they're going to send you a code to verify that this is your email. So go back to your mail, right? If you're using Apple. So I'm going to see right here that I haven't received, yeah, right here, received the fact that I'm logging using this email, right? You can see right here the verification code. Just take the verification code and put it here, right, for mail. And basically they're gonna ask you if you agree with their policy, which is for precaution basically, right? And they're gonna take you to verify, of course, your account, right? Where you're gonna be able to actually log in immediately, but all you gotta do now is verify your identity using ID password. So I'm gonna try again here, right? Select the document issuing country or region, right? So let's say Eritrea, right? And they're gonna ask you for only passport, right? If you're from different countries, they're gonna ask you for a different kind of document. So I continue. You can upload a photo or take a picture live, right? And once you do that, you're gonna be able to wait, or you're gonna wait until Binance verifies your, or checks if your identity matches your profile. And only then they're gonna tell you that if they approve your identity, or you need to do the process all over again. And basically that's it. That's all you gotta do, right? So yeah, consider liking this video, subscribing, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.